Plan and practice in the channel. Today we will see composition Lal Bahadur Shastri. So we are going to write a composition about this person in Hindi. भारत माता के सुपुत्र लाल बहादुर शास्त्री हमारे देश से दूसरे प्रधानमंत्री थे. So he was a gift from Bharat Ma or mother of motherland, that is Bharat. He was a great gift from the country to be the second Prime Minister of India. भारत माता के सुपुत्र लाल बहादुर शास्त्री हमारे देश से के दूसरे प्रधानमंत्री थे. उनका जन्म 2 अक्टूबर 1904 को मोगलसराय नामक गांव, जिला वाराणसी, उत्तर प्रदेश में हुआ. So he was born in Varanasi on 2nd October 1904. 1904. That is 1904. He was born. उनके पिता का नाम शारदा प्रसाद और माता का नाम राम दुलारी देवी था. So his father name was Sarada Prasad and mother's name was Ram Dulari Devi. So this was his parents' name. लाल बहादुर शास्त्री का पूरा नाम लाल बहादुर शारद प्रसाद श्रीवास्तव था. His full name was Lal Bahadur Sharad Prasad Srivastav. So that was his full name. आजादी की लड़ाई में उन्होंने भाग लिया. So he participated in the freedom fighting activities. अंग्रेजों ने उनको जेल में डाला. उन्होंने 9 साल जेल में बिताए. So English people, the Britishers they have put him in jail for around 9 years. So he suffered in jail for 5 years as he was imprisoned by the Britishers. लाल बहादुर शास्त्री देश के सच्चे सुपुत्र थे. So he was a true citizen. उन्होंने अपना संपूर्ण जीवन देशभक्ति के लिए समर्पित कर दिया. So he had lot of उन्होंने अपना पूर्ण जीवन. So he has given his full life to this country. So he has donated his whole life to the service of this country. He has spent the whole life like this for the service to Bharat Ma. एक साधारण परिवार में जन्म शास्त्री का जीवन गांधी जी के सहयोग आंदोलन से शुरू हुआ और स्वतंत्र भारत के द्वितीय प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में समाप्त हुआ. He started with the participation of Gandhiji's activity and he finally finished with of being the second Prime Minister of India. देश के लिए उनके समर्पण भाव को राष्ट्र कभी भूल नहीं सकेगा. So whatever the service he has done for this country, we cannot forget. नेहरू जी की मृत्यु के बाद शास्त्री जी भारत के द्वितीय प्रधानमंत्री बने। आफ्टर Nehru ji has passed away, then when he left this world, Nehru ji, then Lal Bahadur Shastri, he became the second Prime Minister. सन 1965 में पाकिस्तान के भारत पर हमला हुआ. So Pakistan they attacked India during the time 1965. तब इनकी आज्ञा से भारत के सिपाहियों ने पाकिस्तानी सेना को हराया. So with this instruction, the army fought and has defeated Pakistan, and India has won in that war. What was there between Pakistan and India? दशकन में भारत और पाकिस्तान में के नेताओं के बीच में समझौते की वार्ता हो रही थी. So there was some discussion between India and Pakistan during that time. उस समय अचानक हृदय गति रुक जाने से उनका निधन हो गया. So he had some problem in the heart and finally he left this world. उनके बताए हुए आदर्शों पर चलकर ही भ्रष्टाचार रहित देश की हमारी कल्पना को साकार रूप दिया जा सकता है. So whatever the ideals and principles he had formulated, so following that we have created corruption list and the true country India. सदा जीवन उच्च विचार की धारणा से परिपूरित उनका जीवन चरित्र सभी के लिए अनुकरणीय है. So all of them can follow him with a simple living and true with high thoughts and simple living. So everybody, each citizen needs to follow this in his life to become a great person like him. So he has become a person who others follow his step and go ahead in their life. लाल बहादुर शास्त्री जी में सादगी, ईमानदारी, देशभक्ति, दृढ़ता आदि गुण विद्यमान थे. वे शांति के पुजारी थे. So he was a great person. He was very true. So he was having lot of patriotism. He had determination, and he was a very soft person, silent person. वे इतने नम्र थे, उतने ही कठोर थे. So whatever soft he was, wherever he needs to be soft and silent, in some few places he used to be very strong and very stubborn. He used to be little hard in few places to take the decision. सिर्फ 1.5 साल तक प्रधानमंत्री के पद पर रहकर उन्होंने बड़ा चमत्कार कर दिखाया. इसलिए हम उनको हमेशा याद करते हैं. Almost 1.5 years he was Prime Minister of this country. So and he has done a lot of things for this country that makes us remember him always. So this is the composition of the great person Shastri. Hope you all understood. Thank you for watching. Happy learning. थैंक यू।